Hi, good morning. My name is Ana Juliet Vanegas. I am 32 years old. I study psychology. My recipe is coconut rice. To start preparing the coconut rice, first you must break the coconut into small pieces and liquefy it and add on water, strain and leave the gas outside. The coconut gas is usually liquefied again apart in a pot put to heat over medium heat. The first coconut melt with the sugar and could enter golden should always stay that color. Then and the second coconut water, the soda, the sugar, and the rices, and usually added it is optional, and then let it boil. Add the rice and meat, let dry and butter, then it is covered the pot. You should always lower the cooking temperature to medium heat. You should never let it cook at high temperature until the grain dries completely. Sometimes it is accompanied with plantain slices. What were you doing last Christmas? I spent it with the family. Thank you.